Assalamualaikum kids. I'm teacher Syaz. I am the occupational therapist for Ryan's Rehabilitation and Special Needs Center. So, for today's ADL class, we're going to learn on how to sweep the floor, okay? For parents' information, this activity is crucial to train their bilateral coordinations and at the same time to encourage them to clean their room by themselves. Okay, teacher has prepared a video for you which teacher show you how to sweep the floor. So before we begin, can you guys go and grab your broom and also dustpan? Okay, for sweeping the floor, there are 4 main steps that you have to follow. The first one is to put a dustpan at a corner first, and then the second one is to sweep the floor from the corner, and then the third one is to bring all the dust into the dustpan, and the fourth one, the final one, is to throw all the rubbish inside the dustpan to a dustbin. Now, teacher's gonna show you how to sweep the floor. Easy, right? So after this, don't forget to sweep your bedroom floor, your living room floor to make all the floor clean, okay? So that's all from me. Thank you for joining this class. Stay safe, stay home, and don't forget to do your homework, okay? Bye!